So we got NZDCAD. So once again, we're gonna go to the weekly, and the weekly is bearish. The weekly is bearish. We've broken structure down here, so the weekly is bearish. And at the same time, if you're looking at this weekly, you're looking at this wick right here, you have to understand that wick need to get filled. That wick need to get filled. So just off rip in my head, I'm like, okay, this whole week I'm gonna look for a setup to fill that wick, because look what happened here. Crazy wick filled here. Crazy wick filled here. So that wick need to get filled, right? So go ahead, go down to the daily. So the daily, we're already at our area of interest. We have all this iffy structure here, so we're already at our area of interest. It can blow past this area. It can blow past this area and play around here. And I honestly wouldn't mind if it did that, because I take my trades based on a lot of confluences, and one of them is the EMA, bouncing off the EMA. Like look here, look how nice that bounced off the EMA, bounced off the EMA. You know, so I like my trades to bounce off of structure and the EMA. So even if this, and it most likely is going to blow through it, because that momentum, that bullish momentum is powerful right now. Like look at it, and at the same time, look at this wick, filled the wick, and we have a crazy daily bullish candle. So this might come up here, play around, and within this structure, I will want momentum to shift. I want momentum to shift to a more defined bearish sentiment, and then look for a break and retest to come to take it short. And that shift will most likely happen on the 4 hour or even the 2 hour. So if I break down to the 4 hour, right? So on the 4 hour, so if we, alright, stop tripping. So on the 4 hour, it looks a little iffy because we're breaking above the EMA, which means that the trade just might take longer to play out, to be honest. So we really need it actually to break this level here, to get up here into this level up here, and then start creating bearish momentum. You know, lower lows, higher lows. I'm sorry. Bearish momentum. We need to have it break past this level, break into this level, and then flip. And then we honestly might end up coming back to breaking and retesting this level. Watch, bro. I'm gonna do a recap at the end of the week on NZDCAD. We're gonna end up coming back into the breaking and retesting this level, but don't get lost in the sauce, because I'm pretty sure now that I just went down to the 4 hour, it's gonna blow past this level and come and test this level up here, and that's when we're gonna see our trade when it comes back to this level here. All right, so what we got next?